what's up everybody, hope everyone is doing good. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we are gonna take a design challenge in which we're gonna try to design a login screen of an application, and I hope you guys will like this, and let's just get started. So in this whole process, I'm gonna use a Microsoft Visual Studio 2017, a professional version. I really love designing a mobile applications and desktop applications, and I already made so many videos, so you can also check on my YouTube channel as well. So in this video, what I just did, actually I just created a new project, and then I just resized the window of my application, and then I just changed the background color. Then I just realized this background color is looking really bad, so I just changed the a background picture. I just added a background picture with a little bit black overlay, and that looks so good. Then I just used my own logo at the top of the screen, so whenever just a user will try to log in, or whenever the login screen will appear, my icon will also appear at the top of the screen, which is really important, I think. So then I just I added two text fields to get a data from the user, and then I just do labels for both these text boxes. Then I just used one more component, which is a button component. Of course, we just want a user to submit their data, like his email and the password, so he can log into his account. So that's why we just used a button of login. Whenever you just use app and you just look at the user interface of any app, so you see a lot of colors. Actually, the colors help us attract a lot of users, so because mostly nowadays users like colorful applications, because when they just use apps, the color attracts them and they really like it. So that's why I just choose the pink color for my button, so with a hover effect or with a just tap effect. And after all this, I just added a linked label, which is of course a forgot password, because a lot of users forget their passwords and they need to reset their password. So that's why I just added a link below the submit button. So whenever user have to reset his or her passwords, he just need to click on the forget password and he can reset it easily. And at the last part, I just did a little bit text about the company or whatever you can use in your application designing, but in my case I just wrote a text, all rights are reserved and designed by the modern creator. So if you want to use any other text, or if you want to add some more links or whatever you want to add, you can add in the footer section. And one more thing, I just added my social icon buttons, which will help users to connect to the company or the application's official social pages. At the last, I just added a X mark, which is obviously a close button. It will help a user to exit the application directly. So this was today's design, and I hope you guys like this and watch this whole video and whole this process, how I just done this everything. So I hope you guys like this video, and there are a lot more videos like this one on my YouTube channel, so you can visit my YouTube channel and watch a lot more videos like this one. And if you want me to post more videos like this one, so please consider subscribing, and don't forget to like button, which will help me growing my YouTube channel. So I'll see you guys as always in the next video. Till bye bye.